going to install our VS Code and going to set up VS Code for JavaScript so that we can write our JavaScript course. So first of all, you have to set up VS Code, and I just opened my browser and going to install VS Code. Simply type VS Code, and after that you will see a official website of Visual Studio Code. Simply code.visualstudio.com, and after this click on this website. You will see a website, and simply you can download it from here. So the downloading process is very easy and installation process is very easy. And after that, what you have to do is that you will see a pop-up window like this after installing the VS Code. I already told how to install in HTML and CSS course. Simply click on the download for Windows, and you will get a download option here in the bottom, or you will get, if you are using IDM, you will get in the IDM section. Here you can see I just got a button, I just got a download option. I'm just going to pause it because I do not want to install it again. So here you can see you have to open a new folder. Just click on open folder, and after that you can choose your folder. I'm just going to choose JavaScript here and select JavaScript. Okay, fine. Now what you have to do, you have to make two files here, not only one. You have to make two files here, index.js and index.html. That's good. Okay, now first of all, there are two methods so that we can use in HTML to connect our HTML with JS. Okay, first of all, we have to write our heading files. Just press shift and one exclamation mark. You will see emit abbreviation. Just click on it, and after that you have to write here. Now we are going to connect our HTML to CSS, and internally or externally. This is internally. Simply you have to write script, and okay, script here, and just close it, and you will get this one. Okay, now you have to write document dot write, and here we are going to write our hello world program. Hello world. Why hello world? Because hello world is a tradition to write in any programming language. It is a kind of tradition of programming. So I'm just going to write hello world, and just press right click and click on format document. It will make your document format, and it will look more beautiful than before. Okay, now I'm going to open and going to show you our program. Here you can see hello world. With that hello world, not in HTML, in JavaScript. Here you can see in JavaScript. This is the script part, and we use in HTML. After that, if you want to write externally like this in this part, so what you have to do, so first of all I'm just going to copy pasting it, control X, and I will control V here. Okay, now let's see what you see. A control R heading, nothing is here because we have not connected our HTML to CSS. Now how is this possible? Just write script src, and here you have to write the name of your file, JS file. So the name of my JS file is index.js, so I will write index.js, fine. Okay, now our HTML is connected to JS. Now let's see the output, and here you can see, okay, I'm refreshing it again, and here you can see this is our output, and you can see we write our first program in JS.